again here, and for today I am going to show you how to make a very popular Filipino dish called Menudo. Or pork stew, which we're going to add liver with tomato sauce and carrots and potatoes. Using our newest limited edition cookware from Saladmaster, the 6-quart roaster, available until March 31 only. And then capsicum using cone number 3. Okay, now our cookware is ready. As you all know, we have to test. We do the water test. Okay, let's fry the ginger. And let's put the liver. So basically, the ginger will remove that unnecessary smell. So we'll be cooking it for around 5 minutes. Crack the lid. It will release the moisture. And we'll be back later. Okay, after 5 to 10 minutes, it's ready. Ta-da! Now what we're gonna do is we will transfer the liver. It's ready to fry the garlic and the onion. No oil. After about 1 minute, it's time to put the pork, which we already marinated in soy sauce and lemon. Okay, so once we put the pork, it's time to put everything together. So just put all in. Potato, carrots, hot dogs, tomato sauce, sugar, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. And we'll mix it, and then we'll cover it, and we'll put the rest of the ingredients later. Okay, after 10 minutes, let's add the liver. Wow, I super love this 6-quart roaster. Perfect size for this type of cooking. Huge capacity. Not too small, not too big. Okay, now let's cook it for 15 minutes more, or until the pork is cooked and tender on a medium heat. You hear the clicking, you turn it down to low. And then we will add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so let's have a look. So once the pork is already tender, we can add the rest of the ingredients. So let's start with green peas, capsicum, raisins, and then later we'll add this for garnishing, the spring onion. Let's just mix. Okay, let's leave it for 5 minutes and then it's done. Okay, after 5 minutes, let's see. Wow, look at that. Look at the colors. Still very bright. Let's put some spring onion for garnishing. And our menudo is done. Time to taste. Yum. Ooh, very hot. It's yummy. I love it. It's not salty. It's like a bit sweet, a bit salty, but it's just perfect. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And also remember, this is available until March 31 only. So grab yours now while you still can and while you still have the chance. Because once it's gone, it's gone. And before I end this, let me ask you something. Are you hungry? Hungry for more in life? Hungry for opportunity? Hungry for food? If the answer is yes, talk to us and we'll help you. Thank you so much. See you again next time. Bye for now.